starting off the story with a bird's eye view of the bog city. The camera then zooms into one city street. The camera settles on a particular skunk walking on the street. The camera zooms in on the skunk, starts from its feet, then slowly pans upwards to its face. The camera zooms out and the audience sees a faint, shadowy figure of a raccoon. The camera zooms in on the raccoon. The camera zooms back out, then the raccoon zips to different places on the sidewalk, acting sketchy. The camera pans forward with a close-up on the raccoon hiding behind a parking meter. The camera moves from the back of the raccoon to the front of the skunk. The skunk is looking around. The skunk is looking at a map, confused of his whereabouts. The camera then zooms in on the skunk and a question mark pops up. The camera zooms out to show the skunk walking around the city really fast. The raccoon gets shocked and tries to follow after the skunk. The skunk gets dizzy, then both characters meet. The raccoon puts his hand in his pockets to take out something. He says, "Hands up." The camera zooms in on him. The skunk puts up his hands. A stinky mist from his underarm is seen. A bird falls down, and the flowers around him dies. The camera zooms out to fit both characters in the screen. The raccoon reaches into his pockets once more. He pauses and builds tension. The raccoon then pulls out a deodorant. A holy light shines from the deodorant stick. Psh! A mist is sprayed from the can and covers the whole screen. As the mist separates, we see both characters on the screen. The raccoon simply turns around and walks away quietly. The camera goes back to the skunk's face. He is confused. Flowers are seen floating around him. He sniffs himself. The screen then fades to white. Text then fades onto the white screen. Completing your successful personal image could be a step away. And then fades away. CacheImage.com then fades into the screen.